Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Classroom. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn what is macro and how to use it. So first thing is, what is macro? It's a tool in the Excel that allows us to automate the repetitive tasks. This means if you have a series of steps you perform regularly, you can record them as a macro and then Excel will perform those tasks automatically. And when we are recording a macro, Excel is translating our actions into VBA code. And what is VBA code? It's Visual Basic for Applications. It's a programming language integrated into Excel. We will do the simple data formatting of this employee data. We will record it using the macro, and then we will perform the same task using the recorded macro. First, we will select all this data and paste it into a new sheet here. Now we have to start recording the macro, and you can find the macro options under the developer tab only. And to make the developer tab visible here, go to the files, click on the options, and in options click on the customize ribbon. Now under the main tab you can find the developer option. Check mark this and click OK. Now the developer tab is visible here. Click on it and you can find the macro options available here. So first we have to record a macro. Click on it. Let's name it as test macro. And you can't use space in the name. Instead of that, you can use any special character like underscore. And here you can enter any alphabet to create the shortcut key, so that if you will use that shortcut key, the macro will run automatically. You have to be careful while choosing the shortcut key because it can overrun the system shortcuts here. As we want to store the macro inside this workbook only, we will choose this one, and you can give any description here and click. Now as the recording has started and it's showing here as stop recording. Now anything you will do, macro tool will record it. First let's make the heading clear. Change the color, make it bold, and select all the data using Ctrl+A to set all the borderlines. We have a hire date column here, and the date format is different. Somewhere it's MDY, somewhere it's DMY. Let's select it and try changing the format to long date, and it's not working because Excel is getting confused between two different formats of the date. So again select this, go to the data tab, click on the text to column option, click on next, again click on next. Here you will find the date option, click on it and choose the MDY and click finish. Now all our dates are in the same format, and if there is any unnecessary data inside this, let's just delete it. For example, we are deleting bonus, country, city, exit date. We don't need these columns, so we are deleting this, and also the ethnicity and age. Delete it. Now go to the developer option. As we have done all our things that we need to do, click on the stop recording, and the recorded macro you can find it in the macros. Click on it. Here you can find the macro as we named it as test macro. Now if you want to make any change in this, click on the edit it will open the VBA here. That's Visual Basic for applications. Now let's just go to the raw data file. Now go to the macros, select the macro that you want to use, click on the run. If we click on the run, Excel will automatically perform all the tasks that we have done in the sheet 17 here. Now let's try it. Click on the run. Now Excel performed all the tasks that we have recorded in that macro. Excel converted the raw data into the final data using our recorded macro or our recording sequence of a work. The macro tool is very useful in case if you are getting and you are editing or clearing the data in the same format every day. Then simply record the macro and let Excel handle all the work. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.